Have you heard of a deadly sneezing lake? Hidden within the lush hills of Cameroon lies Lake Nyos, a serene beauty with a dark secret. In 1986, an unseen menace lurked beneath its calm surface. A rare limnic eruption. This obscure phenomenon unleashed a massive cloud of toxic carbon dioxide, silently transforming life into stillness for villages below. So how did this seemingly tranquil lake become a ghostly harbinger overnight? Villagers slept, unaware, as whispers of mist curled their way, a chilling vigil that ended with eerie silence by dawn. Ingenious minds rose to prevent such tragedies, leading to pioneering technologies in geoengineering. Yet, the lake remains ominously vibrant, a haunting reminder of nature's unpredictable might.